Here we have a 69 plate BMW 420d XDRIVE M Sport GRAN Coupe. Now this vehicle comes with £6,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website. But they include the Comfort package. We also have the M Sport Plus package. We have the 19-inch alloy wheels in gloss black, all in excellent condition, and with the blue M Sport brake calipers. We have the black sapphire metallic paintwork, the LED headlights. We also have the gloss black front grills and the full M Performance kit, which includes the gloss black front splitter. Right onto the passenger side, you find we have colour-coded door handles and door mirrors. We have the black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. We also have the shark fin antennae up top. We have front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera. Right to the rear, you find we have the rear diffuser with a twin pipe exhaust. We also have a power assisted tailgate. If you press the button on the remote, it will open like so. And then inside of here, you find we have plenty of space for whatever you may need. We also have a button just up here. If you press that button, then it will close again, just like so. And walking back round to the driver's side, you find this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So taking a look at the interior. Inside of the back first, you find we have the leather interior. We have the M Sport style seat belts. We also have the fixed ISO points back here. We have the premium Harman Kardon sound system and the electric windows. Taking a look at the front, again we have the same leather interior. Both the front seats are heated, and there is a look at them. We have the automatic lights just there, the automatic wipers, again the premium Harman Kardon sound system. Taking a seat inside, you find we have the multifunctional steering wheel, which has the paddle shifters on either side. We also have the speed limiter and the cruise control. Steering wheel is also heated with that button just there. We have the main infotainment screen just here in the centre, so if we put our foot on the brake, press the start button, then the vehicle will start up for us. So as you can see, we have the sat-nav just there. We also have all the shortcuts down here. So if you click onto the media, you find we have the media just there for the radio. We also have plenty of other options just down here. For example, the Bluetooth audio with the USB. We have the phone connectivity as well just there. We also have the Apple CarPlay. Now if we go onto the My Vehicle, go on to the Technology in Action. This is where you find we have the sport displays, which is a pretty cool feature to have. We also have the different drive modes, so the Eco Pro drive mode, we have the Comfort drive mode, Sport and also Sport Plus. Now we do have the reversing camera, so we put the car into reverse just like so. You find we have the reversing camera just there with the front and rear parking sensors. You can also get different options, so if you click off there, you can see we have the surround cameras just there as well. Put the car back into park mode, moving further down. We have the heat seats on either side, dual zone climate control, the ice cold air conditioning, all working just as they should do. So we have the automatic gearbox with the different drive modes. We also have the cup holders just inside of there. Shortcuts again for the infotainment screen, manual handbrake, leather armrest. Open that up and you find we have the wireless phone charging and also a USB port. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, then please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, HPI clear, competitive finance deals and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this 69 plate BMW 420d XDRIVE M Sport GRAN Coupe. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show that the vehicle drives as you'd expect it to. So as you can see, I'm going to have to fight with the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, but not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, but staying straight and true. We do have the multifunctions on the steering wheel with the speed limiter and the cruise control buttons on the left and the volume buttons on the right. Paddle shifters to either side. If you want to take the car into manual mode, tap one of the paddles and it will change gear. We have the digital dashboard in front of us, which has different displays that you've seen on the photos and also the walk around video. We have the premium Harman Kardon sound system, which really does sound incredible. We also have the full leather interior throughout this vehicle, very comfortable. You can easily do 2, 3, even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. If you do listen carefully throughout this video test drive, you'll also notice we're free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. We have the 2 seats which are both heated, which is perfect for them cold winter mornings. We also have the main screen just here in the centre, currently showing the sat-nav, but again we have plenty of other features that you would have seen on the walk around video and also on the photos. Below there we have the dual zone climate control, the ice cold air conditioning, perfect for these hot summer days. We have the automatic gearbox with the different drive modes. That noise was just about the fuel, letting me know to reserve the fuel. nothing to worry about. Now about to take a right hand turn onto the industrial park, so put the indicator on and then take the right hand turn onto the industrial park, forming a emergency stop now in 3, 2 and 1. Hard onto the brakes, and then if you put the car into reverse, we have the reversing camera just there on the screen, back into drive with no issues whatsoever. Now if this video hasn't answered all your questions, please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions along with running through some inquiries with you. But that's all from me today. Cheers.